What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Moving Minds with Money. So today I'm going to show you quite a cool affiliate marketing strategy that you should try. As usual, it's usually under $50 to try out. Usually it's free, but this one might take some money. But it's a working strategy. I've actually done it this morning, and I'll show you some stats later in the video if I remember. I'm sorry if I forget. But before we get started, remember, internet security is very important. As you guys know, we've had an account with over 20,000 subscribers, and it actually got hacked, and that's why we started this account. So we got offers for you guys on NordVPN. It's 63% off discount, so use it. It's nice. And also, if you want a free affiliate marketing ebook, it's called Affiliate A to Z. It's free. It's down below. Click on it and claim it for yourself. Like I said, it's free. Nothing to lose. Anyway, so today I'm actually not going to waste any time on the strategy. I'm just going to jump right into it. So the first thing you need to do is come over to a website called Clickbank. Now, you know, we use Clickbank a lot, so create a Clickbank account for you and get started. And there's all these categories on the left that you can choose of, but today I'm just gonna jump into top offers. I'll have a separate video on the different categories and how you can monetize it, and also on the gravity score, the initial conversion, the recurring, and those stuff. So for this video, we're just gonna use T-burn. It's a T that burns fat, T-burn. When you're ready, just click on promote and enter your nickname and get your op link. And then we're gonna go over to a website called wordstream.com/keywords. Okay, and here we're gonna say weight loss. Let's just go with weight loss. Right, say find keywords, and we just we need the health and fitness, and we are only doing the United States. Okay, it's going to take a while. Okay, now you can see lose weight fast. Now I want you to open a notepad or just write it down with a pen and paper. So look at this. If you type buy lose weight fast, is it going to make sense? No. Okay. If you type buy weight loss, it will make sense. Okay. Then go type the buy weight loss. Type it in your Excel sheet or your notepad or whatever. Now go to this. Rebel Wilson weight loss. Buy Rebel Wilson. Yes, it will make sense. Adele's weight loss. Buy Adele's weight loss. Yes, it will make sense. And then you just go down this entire look. Buy based weight. That's not going to make sense. Buy weight loss diet. That's going to make sense. And then as soon as you've got I think 50 more keywords, then you head over. I'm actually just going to go back to my face for this. Then you head over to Google Ads, okay, and you create a profile, but instead of using the weight loss keywords, you use the buy keywords. And the reason for this is when people search something that says, let's say, buy diet pills, when they search buy diet pills, they already have the intention of buying when going online. Now, Google's going to rank you number one with your ad. So that's the first thing they click on. Okay, then the chances of them actually buying it is so much higher. When people just search diet pills, they just want to know what it is. Some people just want to know what it is, how does it work? The chances of actually converting that are so much slimmer than actually when there's a buy keyword. So remember this strategy, it works quite well. Use the buy weight loss, buy diet pills, so you just go type your keyword, and this doesn't just work on weight products and weight loss products. It works on anything on Clickbank. It's a nice strategy. It doesn't even take that long to set up. You see this video is over and it's like 5 minutes in, but it doesn't even take that long to set up. So I highly suggest you use this. You can let's say, for example, let me just check if there's another product. I'm actually just going to show you another example. TikTok and social media monster. So this will be, it's $20, but this will be to grow on TikTok and social media. So when I come over to this website again and grow on TikTok. Okay, oh, I accidentally did that. Okay, for some reason it doesn't show social media, but basically, let's say grow on TikTok. If you search buy TikTok growth, or if you just insert the word buy in front of that, then the chances of converting is so much higher, because first of all, people are lazy. You are ranked 1 on Google. They are going to click on it. Now they already have the plan of actually spending money. That's why they typed buy, and yours is on top. So that's basically a no-brainer that they're going to buy. But if you just how to grow on TikTok, no one wants to spend money if they type how to. Do you want to spend money if you type how to make money? No. It's the small things. Just think about it, execute it, and I promise you, you will make money. Remember about our courses that we are bringing out for you guys, our university. If you want to join, just say I'm in, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one.